Artificial General Intelligence, often referred to as AGI, is the concept of a machine with the ability to understand, learn, and apply its intelligence to solve any problem, much like a human being. Unlike Neuro AI, which is designed for specific tasks, AGI would have the capacity to handle a wide range of cognitive tasks and adapt to new technologies such as OpenAI and Google DeepMind.
టీవీలో పెట్టినట్టు అప్పుడు పోయింది అదే చాలా విచ్చుకునిద్ది ఇచ్చింది ఇచ్చింది